Assalamualaikum. This is Yumna Cooking Creation. Today I am making homemade stuffed beef burger. For burger patties we require 600 gram of minced beef, 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of salt, and leave it aside for few minutes. For making buns, we require 2.5 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of oil, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 cup of warm milk, 1 tablespoon of yeast, and 1 teaspoon of salt. In 1 cup of warm water, we add 1 tablespoon of dry yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and set it aside for a few minutes. Now we add flour in a bowl, add oil, add salt. Now we add the yeast mixture in a dough and mix it well to form a ball. Now we make a ball. Oil the pan. Now we cover it with the cling wrap and leave it for 1.5 hours until the size is double. After half an hour, mince leave it marinated and we divide into 6 equal parts. Now we add it for frying, and at a time we fry food. Now our dough is ready and we roll it on a floor surface and make buns. We roll it, we make holes. Place the cheese, place burger patties, add sauce on top, add whitewash. Now we cover it. Now place it in a preheat oven at 180 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. Now burger is ready and we take it out from the oven. Now fresh stuffed burger is ready.